The names and heights above sea level of 4 mountain peaks in Guadalupe Mountains National Park are listed in the table. Bush Mountain, Bartlett Peak, Shumard Peak, and Guadalupe Peak. Which mountain's height makes the comparison statement true? Okay, you know what we're going to make. A place value chart. 100,000s. 10,000s. Thousands. Comma. Hundreds. Tens. Ones. All right. I'm going to plug in this number of my first comparison. I'm going to plug it into with a different color. So 8,510. 8,510. I only have 4 digits. 8,510. So I'm not going to start plugging in over here in the 100,000s. That would make this place value chart incorrect. Now I'm going to plug in all of these. 8,564. 1,564. 8,508. 8,615. 8,749. All right. Now the comparison statement that we're trying to make true is 8,510 is greater than blank. So whatever your answer choice is, whichever height, it needs to be less than this number. It needs to be less than 8,510 because 8,510 is greater than this number, meaning this number on the other side of the symbol is going to be the smaller number. 8,510, 8,564. Let's just take one number at a time. We don't need to look at all of them at the same time. Let's just take one. 8,564, 8,510. Which number is bigger? 8,500. I need to look at my tens place value to determine. 6 tens is going to be greater than 1 10. So that makes this statement, that would not make this statement true. It is not going to be Bush Mountain. And mark that one out. Let's look at this next place value. 8,508. 8,000, 8,000. 500, 500. 1 0. 0 tens is going to be less than 1 10. So 8,508 would be less than 8,510. I'm going to put a little question or a little check mark because that could be the answer. 8,615. 8,000, 8,000. 500, 600. 600s is going to be greater than 500s. Remember, we said 8,510 needs to be your bigger number, so that is not going to be correct. 8,510, 8,749. You both have 8,000s, 500s, 700s. 700s is more than 500s. That cannot be your answer. So the correct answer is Bartlett